When it comes to our health, we often pay close attention to the usual suspects: fatigue, digestive issues, and skin problems. However, there's one essential player in our digestive system that often goes unnoticed: the bile. Produced by the liver and stored in the gallbladder, bile plays a crucial role in breaking down fats and aiding digestion. A deficiency in bile can lead to various health issues, and the signs can be rather unusual. In this video, we'll explore the lesser-known signs that might indicate a deficiency in bile and why it's essential to pay attention to these subtle cues. 1. Pale or floating stools. One of the first signs of bile deficiency is changes in your stool color and consistency. Bile gives stool its characteristic brown color, and a lack of it can result in pale or clay-colored stools. Additionally, if your stools consistently float rather than sink, it may be an indication that your body is not effectively breaking down and absorbing fats. 2. Difficulty digesting fats. Bile is essential for the digestion and absorption of fats. If you find yourself struggling to digest fatty foods or experiencing bloating, gas, or diarrhea after consuming them, it could be a sign that your body is not producing enough bile. 3. Vitamin deficiencies. Bile is crucial for the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, including vitamins A, D, E, and K. If you're deficient in bile, you may experience symptoms of vitamin deficiencies, such as night blindness, vitamin A, bone pain and weakness, vitamin D, and difficulty clotting blood, vitamin K. 4. Skin issues. Your skin can also provide clues about your digestive health. Bile helps eliminate toxins from the body, and a deficiency may manifest in skin issues such as itchiness, rashes, or a yellowish tint to the skin, jaundice. Pay attention to any unexplained changes in your skin's appearance and consult with a healthcare professional if needed. 5. Bad breath. Surprisingly, bad breath can be a sign of bile deficiency. Bile plays a role in emulsifying fats and removing bacteria from the mouth. If your breath has a persistent unpleasant odor, it could be related to your digestive health, and a bile deficiency might be a contributing factor. 6. Gallbladder issues. Since bile is stored in the gallbladder, issues with this organ can be indicative of bile problems. Gallbladder pain, inflammation, cholecystitis, or the presence of gallstones may suggest an imbalance in bile production or flow. While bile deficiency may not be the first thing that comes to mind when considering your health, it plays a vital role in digestion and overall well-being. By paying attention to these unusual signs, you can take proactive steps to address potential bile deficiency issues. If you suspect any problems with your digestive health or notice persistent symptoms, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional for a thorough evaluation and appropriate guidance. Your body often sends subtle signals, and understanding these signs can be the key to maintaining optimal health.